Hey folks, some of you probably know that one of my favorite knives has always been the mini AK-47. I've carried this little jewel. I actually had this one first and retired it and got another one, started carrying it, and I ended up selling it to a friend and came back and got this one out. It had started acting up a little bit on me. Actually, the spring wasn't always closing, and I've always liked it, and I thought, today I had this Japanese white steel. You can buy these from JapanWoodworker.com. They've gone up in price since this one. I bought this one quite a while back, and I had another one of these mini AK-47s that was brand new. Never even used it, and I pulled it out today to see about carrying it. And it had up and down blade play, which I didn't like, and it's been so long since I bought it that I knew I couldn't return it. So what I did was I just cut this Japanese white steel blade out of the handle of that lock back that is rather inferior. It's neat and tradition and all, but it doesn't hold up. So I put it in a Triad, and I just decided that was on my bucket list of something I'd wanted to do, was to make my mini AK-47 a little better edge keeping. So I took the blade out of the factory one and I traced the pattern and I cut it out, and there you have it. The mini AK-47 sticker. Call it with the hammer forged look. It's differentially heat treated. I had to give up the little thumb plate thing, I didn't get to keep that, but it went together pretty well. It really wasn't all that bad. I had to up the thickness of the washers. This knife has some washers in it. There's actually 2 washers on each side. At least that's been the case on all the ones I've had apart. And that was the same with this one when I took it apart. And they're very thin washers. There is a difference in the blade thickness of these two. It's not a lot, but I made it up in the washer thickness. And it really went together pretty well for a new, more trustworthy, heavy-duty, edge-keeping white steel blade. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you. Thanks for looking.